Hi everyone, I'm Jackie and today we're going to show you how to make your own hologram projector. Firstly, what is a hologram? A hologram is an image created by a photographic projection of a recording. It will appear as a three-dimensional representation of a two-dimensional object. If you want to know how holograms work in more depth, you can watch a video called How Does a Hologram Actually Work by BBC Earth Lab. It's on YouTube. Today we'll learn how to make a pyramid projector to project a hologram. If you want to make your own video, you can use HoloVid on your iPad or iPhone, Photo Editor or Holo for Android devices. Each side of the pyramid projects the image, which then falls to the center of the pyramid. These projections work in unison to form a whole figure, which creates a 3D illusion. So now we're going to show you how this actually works. You may need to be in a dark room to see it properly. The light needs to be turned off. So we've looked up a video on YouTube by Kirsty. If you just type in holograms on YouTube, it'll come up. Make sure you change it to full screen. Let's see how we go. I'm going to pop it on here.